Hey you guys, welcome back to my mother freaking channel. If you're not subscribed, what is you doing looking at me? Yes, my shirt is wrinkled. No, I didn't iron it. Don't be like that. Hit the subscribe button. If this is your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Sharda and I vlog. I do YouTube. You know that subscribe button over there or over there. Make it great. Red isn't a cute color. Hey y'all. What y'all doing? Y'all want to see my nails? So I got my nails done yesterday, and I vlogged, so I'm gonna insert a clip right now.
Thank you, honey. Bye bye. Only one design, right?
Yes.
One for each nail.
Yes.
Each
So
side.
2.
I do black this side. You want lip empty like that.
Yeah.
You want black?
On the side.
Long nail, that way the skin nail look little different, okay?
They look so cute. Hope you guys enjoyed that clip. Normally when I watch nail vlogs, I enjoy them. So I was like, let's spice it up a little bit. Because I just show y'all like typical when I go in the nail salon or after I get my nails done. So I'm like, let's just do a little vlog. But anyway, so it's like a fake, I don't know, is a snowstorm happening right now? I keep getting an alert on my phone about it. It's like real windy and it's snowing, then it stopped, and it snowed, then it stopped. So my nieces came over. There's nothing to do. I guess we should find a movie to watch. We about to bake cookies. I'm thinking about drinking hot chocolate when I know I shouldn't have it. So maybe I should make a tea. Y'all comment below and tell me what y'all doing. So we about to bake cookies. She just dropped one.
No,
on
I
the floor.
didn't. Don't put them too close together because I was.
Yeah, move it apart. She want to make cookies so bad, she done dropped the whole cookie on the
Don't even know
floor.
what she doing. It wouldn't be fire. Just gonna spread out. For real, because nobody want to get you a camera if you ain't with you.
They dying. They still beautiful, but they dying. So the cookies are in the oven. I already drinking mimosa. I don't think I should have another one. I kind of don't want the tea or hot chocolate, so I need to just relax, right? Just doing stuff. Because of boredom, that's how you gain weight when you're bored. So I need to chill out. So that's pretty much what I got going on. My nose is so bobbed too, though. I actually got the picture of Boo. It was pink. I think it was pink and white. And you know, the yin yang is really black and white, so I went with the real color. But it's so cute. But y'all, I really don't have much going on, so I'm gonna pick up the camera and let y'all see whatever I do further in my day. Cause right now we just baking cookies. I got Law and Order playing on the TV. These are old episodes too. One of my nieces taking out her hair, and my other niece probably on TikTok. So I really don't got nothing going on. I'll let y'all know. What I'm doing. Watching our Law and Order. I done made dinner and everything. I forgot to let y'all know. It was something quick and easy. I used the air fryer, so I didn't even show y'all it, man. But I don't have much going on, so I'm about to end the vlog right here. I'm happy. My name is Sharda, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until my next video.